Okay, on to concept number 2 for today, the absolute value of a complex number. This is really easy as well. The absolute value of a complex number is the distance from the origin. So the distance from the point to the origin. Just to refresh on how we plotted that point, we started at the origin, we moved right 3 and up 4. So that's where 3 plus 4i sits. I need to find the length of this line that's connecting this point to this to the origin. So what tool from your geometry days can we use to find the distance? Yep, the Pythagorean theorem. So I need an A value and a B value and a C value. So here's my C, that's my hypotenuse. Here comes my A value down here at the bottom. It's going to be 3. 1, 2, 3. My B value is going to be on the side. So we plug that information in. We plug in the 3 for A and 4 for B. Notice that I am not plugging in 4i. I'm only plugging in the coefficient or the number in front of the I, so the 4 only. 9 plus 16 is 25. Then I square root that, and the square root of 25 is 5. So the absolute value of 3 plus 4i, written with the absolute value bars, is 5. On the next slide, you're going to have 3 more problems to do.